Guys, welcome back to CAD engineering tutorial. Today I am going to explain SolidWorks user interfaces. This is SolidWorks 2020 and SolidWorks is 3D CAD software, not 2D. It is interface very friendly and easy. So let's jump into the main tutorial. So when you click the first open the SolidWorks, there are pop-up window, the three options: part, assembly, drawing. So part, it is any kind of 3D object to build here. That's mean part is 3D object design purpose uses. So next one is assembly. There are lots of parts are into combined or complete machining or mechanism in to build up in assembly. So when you complete the machines or complete your object, it is make after finish the assembly, then it is going to the drawing. So drawing is 2D engineering drawing, part assembly 2D engineering drawing. So first click the part. Here is a file. There are lots of options here. Here is a file. Here is a file menu bar. File, edit, view, insert, tool, simulation window. Here is a new window, title of horizontal, vertically. It's up to you as your like. Choose any kind of title view. Here is a simulation toolbar and main 2D sketch toolbar, sketch entities toolbar here, and view and edit toolbars and file menu bars. So next one is a command manager. Here is a command manager, and also here is a lots of tabs: feature tabs, sketch tabs, surface tabs. When you need complete geometry, you need surface system or need MDB dimension, just click here and it is automatically added to pop up. So here is a feature tabs. First open is feature tabs. Feature is 3D modeling tools like extrude, revolve boss and lofted boss, extrude card, hole lizard, etc. And sketch, it is 2D drawing sketch tools like line, circle and center corner rectangle and center point arc, etc. That is all of tools are used for 2D part, 2D geometry. And next one is surface, sheet metal, any kind of body surface, need surface, create surface tab, and sheet metal, need sheet metal tab, weldment profile, mold tool, as your requirement, and use these different types of tabs. So now is FeatureManager Design Tree. Here is FeatureManager Design Tree, FeatureManager, Property Manager, Configuration Manager, and here is a material. Oh, there are materials, different types of material you can use from this option here. There are three plane, front plane, top plane, origin, origin, and this is graphics area, plain white, and this is on graphics area, and this is track, and here is a dimension. If you are need this dimension inches, here is inches, max meter, kilogram, second, MKS system, CGS system, center, gram, seconds. It's up to you as you need, as per your need selection. So next on is apps head toolbar. Here is a zoom to fit, display styles. Here is a display styles, different types of display styles. This is view orientation, isometric position, top view, front view, side view, left view. And it is previous view, and hidden, show your item is here. You can use, there are lots of items. If you need to hidden, just click here. It is hidden, exists hidden, coordinate system, dimension, and etc, etc. And here is a task pane. There are design library. Here is a nut, bolt, and different types of standard parts that you can use easily from here. And appearance, lots of appearance, background, lots of background, lots of scenes, appearance. As your requirement, you can use from here. You will use from this library. So here is a status bar. Here is motion study, and this is graphics area. So this is our first tutorial, user interfaces, and this is search menu bar. You can use any kind of part, about part, any kind of thing, just search here. So this is our first tutorial, and I have explained all the user interfaces. I'm trying to explain all the interfaces, all the parts. So our next tutorial come to first sketch, that means fast sketch tools. So thanks for watching.